Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with an oxo turning flip and fold spatula, a desire to spread some paint, and I'm going to use a base layer for my sky this time and spread it down as far as it wants to go because it doesn't matter. Any damp paint is a good layer to add more paint to. I don't care for the white, the Artist Loft white, as much as I like the Additives because it has a tendency to be less pastel making. Although it does look like I put more on there than I needed, but that's perfect to go all the way down to the bottom, or quite a bit of the ways to the bottom. Because I will be putting some colors in my sky in a moment. And hope that I can catch it while it's still wet and stop messing around. Okay, so sky colors. Whoops, I think I didn't shake that, which means I might get some cells. I'll put a little more white in there. Maybe a little dioxazine purple, some pink. That is some folk art color shifting purple. I put some enamel in the last time. I'm trying to use the colors I used in another video, and I love that enamel. Let's see, do I have enough blue? No. I have some paler purple. I don't know what this is. I think I'm going to do a little more of that. And hopefully I can get this to go over the edge. I might want some orange in there, but I'm a little nervous about putting it in with the blue. I probably should have waited till I spread it out. That's an exciting sky. Let's see if I can touch up my edges to the point where I wipe off my spatula. That was messy of me and a little wasteful. I'm going to use both sides and use up my residual on the top. Oh, and I have paint on my edges. That's good. And I think I'm going to experiment right now with a theory I've been holding on to, which is if I put white in my sky, will I get clouds? I'll get cloudy. I'll get something. Kind of want to dump that over the top. Let's try a little bit of that pink. Changing my mind. I think that's almost exactly what I had in mind. It might be a little more exciting than I anticipated, but that's okay. There, I've got a couple white clouds. Do I want a couple more? They really should be pink. And I really should quit dripping. Oh, we got some purple clouds. I just want some more texture in the sky than I've got. So bouncing my spatula up and down sort of helps that whole... Oh, fell right off. I have perfect drips along my top edge to spatula into place. Now, I should show you that, shouldn't I? And I am going to grab any and all spare paint I've got, even onto the drips. Maybe add a little bit more. I said I was going to show you that and then I didn't. I do like putting the spatula in there, but I have to be careful with the white layer of Anita's because it will make it look like it's gone right down to canvas when it's really only gone down to Anita's. White metallic, I mean. Alright, so that's cool. And we have some more. Now it's time to get brazen. And put all the colors that I want into my base. And get a few colors out of the way that don't belong here. This is my new pink diamond. Color Art Prism Pour. That is hot, excuse me, that is wow, dioxazine purple. That was a metallic Arteza that's like pistachio or something like I don't know, it's pastel green. It might even be just called pastel green. I think I'm going to be using the dioxazine purple again across the top of my scape. I've got a little bit of Artist Loft turquoise. I don't want to forget to use some copper. And there's my dioxazine purple. And I'll probably grab a dab or two of that as I go along. I have little tiny tools, and I don't know if I have enough of everything. I don't have any gold. That's what I'm missing. Kind of want some black in there too. Just because. So I've got a fairly large card, and I think I'm going to use some of my Amsterdam black and start by trying to fill in a little bit here and there. Grab a little more. I'm surprised I didn't put it out in the dish. Just going to go across and try and fill some stuff in. What do I see that I want more of? I kind of want some more turquoise. And I think a little more copper isn't going to hurt me. And since I have orange in my sky, I'm going to throw a little bit of that in there too. I'm going to use some of my purple cell activator. touch on my edges. Go back to the black. I'm just going to flip my card right over. And since I know the colors I used, I can always just put them in a dish and dip one of my little tools or my acetate card in. Kind of want a smaller tool. I thought I was saving them for my buildings. I'm going to put all three of my cell activator colors out and use a wedge. Doesn't matter what color I get down the edge right now. It's weird without music or without sound. Now I have a little dish of black and silver. And I don't know if I'm going to love it or hate it. But the buildings are really too big and way too uniform. So I'll just chill out on that and use that paint somewhere else right now. And grab the tiny one. And hopefully some of the white. No, that's silver. Just break them up a little bit with the tiny one. And I'm surprised how well that's working, I really am. It's all just in leaving the impression. And they're not black, they're definitely Prussian blue. The last time I did this, they were definitely black. Just pulling through, breaking up any hard lines or any shapes. Looks a lot like the last one, actually. I kind of want some gold. Can I have some gold? Maybe I can't have some gold. I think I could have used some more gold. It's time to make some more gold, or at least add it to the bottle. Because I always have gold on standby. I've got a few things I want to change down below. A couple things I want to fill in up above. And I've got the perfect tool to do it, I think. it is what it is, and I don't dislike it. I'm not so sure about that purple dot in the sky. Hopefully that'll wind itself back a little. I'm looking for that little tiny card I had again. This one's a slightly larger one. I think I like the gold. You can't really press in. I wish I'd put some pink in there too, just as a reflection. Yeah, I like and I need the pink. And I need to make the silhouette against the sky, the horizon, a little more uneven. I should have known I was going to use up all my time. I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys I love you and that I have over 2,200 videos and that I appreciate you watching and giving me a thumbs up and sharing my videos. It helps my channel survive. Thank you very much for being here. Also, if you are interested in helping support the studio's production of videos, you should know that there is a monthly drawing and there's never more than 15 people or so in there. There's some great art to be won. I always pick paintings I'd like to have because I have quite a few, and it doesn't hurt me to give you the opportunity to get something really awesome. So look on the end screen video of this video for the monthly drawing and see the prizes at the beginning of the exhibition video. I said that wrong. Okay. So this is kind of cool. I might mess around with the bottom just a little bit. I don't think that angled tool made me as happy as I was hoping it was going to. I have some stuff to touch up on the bottom, and if I have any canvas showing, I'm going to look for something to cover it. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I see those lines. Please give me a thumbs up. I think I asked for that already. Pardon me. Alright, I'm distracted. My Amazon link is on the link tree. The link tree is under the video. It's the first or the second blue link. Since I use small tools, I'll include a video tutorial on how to make small tools. I think I'm going to wind up going back and putting some more pink and some more orange into the base scape, because that would be the reflection of the sky. Guys, take care of each other, take care of yourselves. This will look pretty similar. Come on. Give me one. I'm going to give you a close-up. I'm also going to look at this thing and make sure it's not an actual thing. And I'll be gone soon enough. Sorry about that. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio Gallery, reminding you to ask me questions if you want to. And purchasing an artwork or taking a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, you can have access to information if you use my email address below the link tree. It's easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I do sell my art. Sometimes I like to sell my art. It helps me pay for art supplies. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I think I said that already. It's a weird day. I lost my phone. I'll get it back. Thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. Thank you for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. I'm going to play with this for a while longer, and I will see you guys anon.